Let's do an in-depth tutorial on my everyday makeup look. First step I always do is hydrate. I just skip primer and use moisturizer as my base. I feel like my skin gets too oily if I have too many products layered on top of each other. So I've been using the Rhode Glazing Fluid as my base under makeup. Now my fave, the Beauty Blender Skin Tint. I am in between shades right now, so I'm gonna mix these two together. My favorite part about this product is it keeps my shine under control literally all day long. I never have to powder, which is so rare for me. If you're into like no makeup, I'm telling you, this product will be your best friend. I am obsessed with this stuff. This is the Mario Bronzing Serum, and this stuff looks so good in person. I'm obsessed. And this stuff is really easy to work with. So if you're new to makeup or struggle with makeup at all, this product is really, really easy. I just discovered that I own this Patrick Ta nose contour brush. I'm gonna use this to blend it out. This is the best brush for nose contour. When it comes to blush, I use a different blush like every single day. I just kind of go with whatever mood I'm feeling at the moment. Since I just got back from Hawaii, I was wearing Juice Box by Rose. Stuff is so pretty. This is a super underrated shade, but I feel like once summer hits, it's going to be really popular. If you want natural concealer, use a brush. Don't put the applicator right on your face. Pick it up with a little brush, and then I apply. It just gives you a lot more control with the product and how much you're applying. I will still go directly onto my skin with the applicator at times, but when I want really natural makeup like this, I've been using a brush. For powder under the eyes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Cupcake. Always tap off the excess, and before I set that, I just make sure I have no creasing. If you have any creases and you set your makeup, it's going to set the creases, so never skip that part. Set the rest of my face. I use Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish because it's really fine, and then that Huda Beauty powder has a little bit of a pink tone to it. I've been loving adding a little bit of these Hourglass blushes on top. I just take these two shades, and this is the Snake palette. And I'm just doing tapping motions, so I'm not moving any of that product I have down. Since I used quite a bit of powder, I'm going to spray the face now just to bring the moisture back. You can already see that brought back some of the glow. Now for glow, I'm going to use the Dior Forever Glow Maximizer. This is the pink shade. I'm gonna add this to the nose. And then for the cheeks, I'm gonna use the back of my sponge. I'm going to apply this to the high points of the cheek. I've been really into minimal eyeshadow lately, so I've just been using the Hoola bronzer. I'm just putting it all over my lid. Went ahead and curled my eyelashes, and now I'm using this Lancome mascara. This has been my all-time favorite as of recently. I believe this is the Flutter extension. And then I'm going in with Twist from Rose. I've been using this stuff like every single day since I've gotten it. I do not understand the controversy with this product. Like, this makes your lips look so plump, so contoured. Whenever I use a lip liner, I go in and blur it and smudge it anyway, and with this you really don't even have to do that. And I've been loving this Chantecaille gloss. It's a really pretty pinky gloss. Okay guys, here's the final look. Genuinely love this look. I feel like it looks amazing in person as well on camera, but let me know what you guys think and if you try it out.